Today we are going to start with the Functools module. This is a built-in module and this is very interesting module in Python. These are the tools available for the functions. Okay, this is not related to class, but yes, you can use Functools to improve your functions basically, and these are very interesting modules, or you can say very interesting methods we are going to discuss in these module, that is a Functools module. Okay, so we can use Functools module to look out our code better and efficient, right? So there are lot of stuff we can do with the functions with the help of Functools. So let's do some cool stuff with the Functools by using Functools module. It simply deals with the higher order functions, right? So Functools will deal with the functions only. So we are going to discuss this module utilization with the functions. So first one is the reduce method. Let's start discussing the reduce method. From Functools import reduce. So in the intermediate section there were three higher order functions. First is filter, second is map, or third is reduce, right? So filter and map you can directly use it, but reduce is not available. For using reduce you need to import it from the Functools. Previously reduce was not part of the Functools, but in upcoming versions Python developer kept, or Python collaboration team kept reduce module inside Functools module, right? So that's why we are seeing it inside the Functools. Then let's find sum and product of elements inside a list, right? So as we know, what reduce does, it takes number of inputs, but the output of the reduce function will be always in the single form. ठीक है, सिंगल यूनिट में आउटपुट रहता है. समझो अगर आपको ये लिस्ट के सभी नंबर्स सम करने हैं, तो दिस इज you can use anonymous function here in the reduce, and you can apply reduce function to get it addition here. So always क्या होगा, number of inputs will be, input में एलिमेंट्स ज़्यादा रहेंगे लेकिन आउटपुट में सिर्फ 1 रहेगा, एक ही यूनिट रहेगा, that is 15. Then you need to, let's say, calculate the product. It will be, then you need to say, let's say, calculate the maximum of the numbers from this list. Then you will get the max 5.
That's it for today's session. And thank you all of you for attending this.